welcome to Creative Learners. Hello my lovely children. In today's video, we are going to learn about different types of blending. So let's begin. The first method is arm chopping method. In this method, you are going to stretch your arm and you're going to chop your arm into letter sounds. For example, a, b, ab. So stretch your arm, a, b, ab, ab, k, a, t, cat, cat, b, a, d, bad, bad, p, a, n, t, pant, pant. The second method is finger blending method. So you are going to use your fingers as many as letter sounds given in that particular word. For example, if it's a two-letter word, you're going to take a, d, ad, b, a, t, bat, b, a, n, d, bend. The third one is finger snapping method. In this method, you are going to snap your fingers as per the letter sound. So if it's a two-letter word, e, g, egg, f, e, g, fig, e, n, d, lend. Fourth one is Macarena method. In this method, we are going to keep our hands over here and dance and move. For example, if it's a two-letter word, eat, it, f, e, g, fig, fig, d, n, t, dent, dent, dent. So I hope this video was useful to you, and whenever you are teaching blending to the children, always start with one method, and once they are thorough with what blending is all about, then you can introduce the other blending techniques. Out of these 4 blending techniques, my favorite one was Macrena method, where you are grooving. Let me know which one is your favorite blending technique in the comment box below, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta la vista.